In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Todoist with Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Todoist.com. Once you're on the site, take a moment to log into your Todoist account. If you're already logged in, great. Just make sure your account is active. Now that you're in your Todoist dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile icon or your initials. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Integrations. This option will lead you to the next step in the process. Once you click on Integrations, you'll see a further option called Discover Integrations. Click that to explore the various integrations that Todoist offers. As you arrive at the Discovery page, take a moment to browse through the list of available integrations. It might take a few seconds to load, but you should soon see a variety of options that can enhance your Todoist experience. One of these options is Slack, so go ahead and find Slack in that list. Once you locate Slack, go ahead and click on it. You will now be directed to a page that provides some additional information about the integration. This is where all the magic happens. To link your Todoist to Slack, look for the button that says Add to Todoist. Click on that button, and you're one step closer to bringing these two powerful tools together. After clicking that button, a pop-up will likely appear asking you to allow Todoist to connect with your Slack account. This is an important step, so make sure you accept or allow these permissions. This authorization is what will enable seamless communication between Todoist and Slack. Once you've given the necessary permissions, you'll see a confirmation that the integration is complete. At this point, you can head over to your Slack workspace and start using Todoist features directly from there. You'll be able to create tasks, receive reminders, and manage your to-do list without switching between apps. Isn't that great? Being able to streamline your workload and enhance productivity in such a straightforward way can be a game changer. You will find that tasks linked with your Slack conversations will help you and your team stay organized. Keep in mind that sometimes it may take a moment for the integration to fully sync, so if you don't see your tasks popping up immediately in Slack, just give it a few minutes. That wraps up our step-by-step guide on integrating Todoist with Slack. If you like this tutorial, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information useful and that you can now enjoy a more connected workflow between Todoist and Slack.